Number six, visionary. What is being a visionary and why is it important? A leader should be visionary and have more foresight than an employee, according to Jack Ma. A visionary leader is far-sighted and driven and inspired by what a company can achieve. Visionary leaders work hard for the greater good and keep themselves updated with time and change. Ensuring a vision for the future with perseverance and keeping everybody invested in the process is what a visionary leader does. A visionary leader does not hold back to take risks and unconventional decisions. There are two parts to a vision. There is the corporate vision. This is the vision of a company, a vision so compelling that it drives the direction and the decisions that the company makes. This vision is usually called the North Star because it guides the people in a specific direction. A few examples of very good corporate vision statements are for Disney to be one of the world's leading producers and providers of entertainment and information. Dunkin' Donuts to be always the desired place for great coffee beverages and delicious complimentary donuts and bakery products to enjoy with family and friends. LinkedIn create economic opportunity for every member of the global workforce. The leader would then make sure that the goals, strategies, tactics of the company is driving them in the direction of their vision. You can also have a personal vision. There's nobody stopping anyone from establishing their own personal North Star. For instance, you can have a vision for your life, a financially secured, healthy family that quietly blesses others. Could be an example of a vision, a personal vision. With this example, you will make sure that your decisions and directions that you take in your life push you forward towards that vision. When you take on a job, does it bring you closer to your vision? Does your eating habits bring you closer to your vision? Does your grocery shopping bring you closer to a healthier vision? Does your family have any form of exercise? Are you setting aside funds for a possible business that you want to start? Are you helping others? It may not be big, but you can always be helping other people around you if that's part of your vision. Helping others may not even be in the form of money. It could be you could be generous with your time, your asset, or your resource. How about you? What would be your life's vision statement?